Today, planet Earth is about to be hit by the biggest solar storm in 20 years. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, has warned that this solar storm could disrupt communications and navigation, cause power outages, and damage satellites. Let's take a look at the details of this exciting and dangerous natural phenomenon. Details of the solar storm. NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center has detected a series of solar flares about to hit Earth over the next few hours and days. The most powerful wave of charged particles will hit Earth's atmosphere late tonight. This event could cause auroras visible as far south as Northern California and Alabama. Auroras may also be visible in the central and southern latitudes of Europe, especially in northern Turkey. The source of solar storms is a cluster of giant sunspots on the surface of the Sun, which are 16 times the diameter of the Earth. These spots eject large amounts of charged particles towards our planet, triggering events known as coronal mass ejections, or CMEs. These pulses become more common at the peak of the Sun's 11-year cycle. NOAA said several CMEs were headed directly for Earth. Sean Dahl, service coordinator for the Space Weather Prediction Center, says the first wave of particles will arrive tonight, Eastern U.S. time, creating spectacular auroras. Shocking problems. The most destructive solar storm ever recorded was the Carrington event in 1859. It created auroras visible as far south as Mexico and Hawaii and affected telegraph systems in Europe and North America. While this geomagnetic storm was not as powerful, it could have major impacts because of our dependence on electronics and electrical systems today. The storm could cause unexpected currents in long-distance power lines, which could trigger temporary blackouts in some areas. It could also disrupt the ionosphere, a part of the Earth's atmosphere filled with charged particles, disrupting long-distance radio transmissions. The particles could also disrupt GPS signals, and these effects could last for several days. Steenberg says it's unclear how bad the disruptions will be. With any luck, the disruption shouldn't be long-lasting. Look up! While this storm will keep satellite operators and utilities busy for the next few days, individuals don't really need to do much. The biggest problem you might face is a brief power outage, so it might be a good idea to have a few flashlights and a radio on hand. Also, don't forget to step outside and look at the sky. You might be able to observe auroras even in places where they are not normally visible. Steenberg notes that a faint aurora can be more easily detected by a modern cell phone camera, so why not try taking a photo of the sky, even if you can't see it with your eyes? The aurora, after all, is indeed a gift from space. I hope this information has excited you. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more such content. See you in the next video. Bye.